Hey, what is up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today I am back. This is my final comparison between these three cases. Like I said, if you've seen any of my videos, I am a fan of 1, 2, and 3. And I told everyone that I would come back and I would make a decision and let you guys know which case is going to be the case that I choose and that I like the most out of these three cases. Over here we have the Otterbox 360 Symmetry. Right here we have the Zugu Muse, and here we have the UAG Metropolis. One of these holds the iPad Pro 11-inch. That will be my new case. That is the one that has all the features that I really like. It's going to hold that pencil and charge it the way I like it. The one that has the best volume up and down buttons, the best power buttons, the one that has the best standing ability. Now, I'm going to start opening these up just to let you guys know what the iPad is in one of these. So, here we go. First one I'm going to open up is UAG. There we go. It is not the case that I choose. Although it is a great case, it's going to give you the charging ability. It's going to hold the pencil here. Has a magnetic flap that goes around back. It is rugged and protective. It just is not doing everything that I want it to do on the iPad. And it only has 3 stand settings basically. So that's 1 down and 2 to go. Which will it be? Now, you know how I like my Otterbox. I have been in love with this one since I got it. Price point is 80 bucks. I didn't mention the price point over here. This one costs you about actually $59.99, 80 bucks, and $59.99. You know I like this case. Been my everyday. I've been rocking with this since I got the iPad. But as of right now, I'm not rocking it. There we go. So you know who the winner is. But before we talk about that, I'm going to show you that this does have stand mode. It does have the ability to have a typing mode. Just like that. It is going to protect that Apple Pencil, just like that. Buttons, I have an issue with those from time to time, but they work. I mean, it's not a real issue that I have with this. The magnetic flap holds it to the back, just like so. All of my issues are basically just some cosmetic things that can be fixed with an update to the case. Let's move those out of the way and we will reveal the iPad. This is the iPad Pro 11 in the Zugu Muse. Now, the reason I picked this case, several reasons. You got a microfiber lining here, and there's also a microfiber lining back here on the back, just like that. All of our cutouts, from the speakers to the camera to the charging port at the bottom, everything is a go. Now, what I really like about this case is the front does not come off when it's closed. You have to use this little tab to lift up. It supports auto sleep wake. All of these cases do. You actually have 2 ways that you can carry your pencil. One is back here. The other is here on the side. So I like the fact that I can store my Apple Pencil back here or on the side, where it does take advantage of the charging feature. I'll just show you. It does take full advantage of that charging and syncing feature. These buttons are some of the best by far that I have seen on the tablet. They're nice. They click really nice. It feels like you're pressing on the actual button that's on the iPad itself. And not to mention this magnet back here. This is one of the strongest magnets I've seen in a case so far, and that magnet is going to allow you to have these different standing angles, starting back there, coming all the way up to a straight stand, just like that, 90 degrees. Can't get any better than that. Now, I will say that this case adds a little bit of weight to the tablet, but not a whole lot. It's not enough to be upset about. Now, last thing I want to talk about is bending. This does not allow bending. The everyday use of a tablet, you're not going to bend it. If you pick these tablets up in these cases, you can bend these cases. With that being said, You can bend your tablet in this case if you put forth the effort. That is what I'm trying to get through to everyone in all these videos. If I put forth the effort, I can break this tablet in this case. No questions asked. I can bend it. But who is bending an iPad? Who is bending a $1,000 device? Definitely not me. So for everyday use, any of these cases are going to do you justice. But for right now, I'm rocking with Zugu. If you get a chance, stop by, check out my other videos, my comparisons. Hope this is able to help someone make up their mind. I know you guys have bought a lot of these cases. I want to thank you for checking out this channel. Give me that thumbs up. Please share these videos. Please subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.